mga trees, no? So, important po ni siya na activity because it will help in our biodiversity. So, ang mga mananap, mudaghan pang mga mananap sa atong mga kagubatan, no? So, we are inviting everyone, especially the academe, the barangays, and all the citizens nga, kung naay luna na pwede pa makatamnan, they can join the simultaneous tree planting activity on October 7. So, kani siya, since Monday man gud, no? So, most likely we will be conducting it on the afternoon na, 3 to 5 p.m. Kung buntag po, basin muli maka-attend sa flag raising ceremony. So, this will be finalized or nag-wait lang give me ng go signal kung 3 p.m. mag-conduct ng tree planting sa two sites na to sa Barangay Mati and Barangay Catniog. We also have one mangrove forest sa may City of Palubigon which will be planted with mangroves together with our partners, the Surigao City Anglers Group, no? So sila po lang magtanong po sila ng mangroves sa area. So aside from the we will be planting native kay ang issue ra ba karon kay basin magtanong lagi ko ng mga invasive or exotic species. So we targeted nga nara, magkuno, pugas or mulabi, mga bagras, maugid ni siya ang mga native na mga itanom during the Arbor Day celebration. Also, kani siya, no, on another note, karong September 28, we will be celebrating the 25th National Maritime Week, no? Nag-request ng assistance ang atong Naval Group Reserve or 72nd Naval Group Reserve because they will be installing artificial coral reefs sa atong boulevard because if you know, a portion of our boulevard declared na siya as coral preservation area. So part of their celebration, coordinate sila with the City Enro nga mag-install sila ng artificial reef. So kani siya, it will be placed sa boulevard to promote new homes for fish po, no? So mao po ng activity nila karon umaabot. Then siguro lastly, we are very fortunate with regards to the validation sa bago lang natapos na validation sa National Literacy Award where the evaluators were happy na the city government really put into significance environmental literacy. So kami sa City Enro, we were asked unsay mga programa nga gitawag nila inclusive para sa tanan na mga katawhan dili lang giingon sa mga pinili. So kami sa City Enro, we always strive to maghatag ng knowledge, new knowledge or to give awareness sa atong mga kauban, no? Dili lang sa mga academe but we also give awareness seminars, orientation sa atong garbage collectors since sila ang forefront when it comes to garbage collection and also to our persons deprived of liberty. So ginasuportahan po naman sila. We give them awareness seminar, no? Since one of their products sa mga PDL nato are their mga recyclable products like the eco bags and katong ilang mga figurines. So dako among pagsalig nga it was a plus points for the Surigao City nga naagid day literacy program for environmental aspect. So I think that's all for the city.